Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find legendary land inside Atlas Earth. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So the first way is look for golden tiles. So this represents legendary land. So legendary land appears as gold or yellow tiles on the map. So if I open up my map, I've only got green at the moment, so I'll need to move around to find any. So these are basically ultra rare and offer the highest rent per second. So you want to try and grab yourself some of these golden tiles. They're extremely limited and usually located in premium real world spots like national landmarks, statues of Liberty, Eiffel Tower, etc., major sporting stadiums or stadiums in general, and airports, historical buildings and monuments, and also popular tourist attractions. What else we could do? Explore major series of landmarks. So open the Atlas Earth app and move the map to major cities, for example New York, LA, London, etc., and tap around famous attractions and zoom in tightly. Legendary tiles are easy to miss if you don't look closely. The bigger and more iconic the location, the better your chances of spotting legendary land. Also, we can check out communities help. So join the Atlas Discord or Reddit r/Atlas Earth. Users often share coordinates or screenshots of legendary land titles. Stay up to date or updated with special promos or drops, as Atlas Earth sometimes introduces new legendary tiles during events.